Namaste, namaskar everybody. I hope you're doing well. Having a happy-go-lucky day. My name is Eddie and we are here in Laureles. So I'm going to walk through here. I'm going to do this in 4K, 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, 8 minutes long each. And you have a lot of stuff. If you like this part, the city, the temperature is around 25 degrees Celsius at the moment, getting a little warmer. And La 33 Avenue is that way, and UPB, the University Pontificia Bolivariana, is over there. And this is Segundo Parque Laureles is up over there, and first one is over here. But let me walk through this area a little bit. And if you want some fresh produce and some imports in terms of food, come to Carulla. And you have a lot of restaurants, some hotels like that one right over there. And if you want to explore this area, because maybe you want to live here as a pensioner or as a digital nomad living here, this is warm down here. The weather is warm. This is the month of October. It's always warm anyhow in Medellin. There is no rain. I mean, there is no snow, and there are no heat waves like in the US or Southern Europe in the summertime. So this is Laureles. And you will find basically apartment buildings, these individual ones that are not gated communities, but they do have their own parking, and they do have their own little gate with a metal door and then the glass door to get in, and the little intercoms for the different floors. Or you have bigger gated communities, but not like the ones in Poblado. And this is Laureles, like I told you, Laureles. And this one they're doing renovation on it. And that's another place called Mirador del Parque, the park lookout. So this whole area is dotted with apartment buildings, you know, tower blocks. And that's first Parque de Laureles. I didn't know I was that close. And I'm going to show you a couple of places, and like they have those entrances that are protected, and then some of these might have a swimming pool in them. It depends on how big it is. Dental aesthetic, high dental aesthetic, high dental aesthetic, no, high aesthetic dental, whatever. And they have some places here where you can come work as a digital nomad. They got co-working spaces. So just showing you a little bit in this video. And it has been raining a lot here in the Medellin metro area, according to my students, because I am an English language teacher online. I have been a teacher for a total of 27 years now. And Vince, ¿qué más, hermano? Vince, he was a client of mine and a nice person that came, and we did a tour, as you saw. But he was not in the video because I respect people's privacy. There's a spa here, Manos de Cera, silk hands. There's a spa here, and then there's a place for women, if you like that. And this is Primer Parque Laureles, and you got the EV, electric vehicle charging stations. Check it out. That's where they're charging their e-vehicles. They have like 4 pumps. And this is a nice cafe here called Del Muri. I have been here before, and they have good Wi-Fi if you want to come and work and enjoy some good coffee. So let's continue walking. And Il Forno, very good restaurant. It's a chain of Italian food restaurants. Oh, that's a beautiful doggy right there. Buenos dias. Nice doggy. Playful, very playful. And this is the co-working place here. It's called Semilla, meaning seed. Cafe and co-working area. As you can see, people are doing their co-working on their laptops, and they got good food and everything. And let's keep walking this way to the park. And there's a laundromat over there. We're into 4 minutes and something. That way is La 70. La 70 Avenue is 2 blocks down that way. They got a vegan restaurant over there, plant-based food. They got a couple of vegan places around here and vegetarian. And they got these bike routes. But you have to be very careful because not everybody respects bicyclists. Man, somebody left their sofa out here. but the city will remove it quickly. So that's the little park, Primer Parque de Laureles, the first Laureles park. And over there, if you want to do your laundry and everything, you got that laundromat, laundry and brunch. Dude, I crossed way before you even came. So Lavato, and there's a hotel called Laureles Park on top of it. Here are the prices of Lavato, like all of that for the food they offer, different things, burger, sandwich, whatever, laundry, brunch, coffee, beer, burger, sandwich, cocktails, and people are in there hanging out while they wait for their laundry to be done. And they're already putting up the Christmas decoration lights. Oh, I just noticed that right now. Today is October 9th, 2025, October 9th. And people here really await Christmas with glee, with a lot of glee, with a lot of happiness. And they're putting up here on the... Yeah, there we go. I gotta watch where I'm going. I hit that thing hard. Oh, what the hell, did I break it?